Hello everyone. In the last class, at the last we studied about prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? The number which has got two factors. One and that number itself is called prime numbers. If the numbers are not prime, then they are called composite numbers. Now, let us write down the prime numbers. I said in the last class only, I said 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 and so on. 43 and so on. They are prime numbers. Now look at these numbers. What type of numbers they are? They are all odd numbers except one number. What is that? 2. So I can say all prime numbers are odd numbers except only one number. What is that? 2. So if they ask which is the only even prime number? 2. Which is the least prime number? 2. If the number is not prime, then they are called composite number. What is the meaning of composite number? Composite number is a number where there are more than two factors. Suppose if I take number 4. What is the factors of 4? 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 1, 2, 4. More than two factors. What is the 6? Come on. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. There are more than two factors, then they are called composite numbers. Now you understood clearly what is the meaning of prime numbers and composite numbers. With that knowledge, let us come to the example sums. Look at that page number. Example 3. Page number, you go to page number 51, they have given, in the box they have given, 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. 1 we don't consider nor a prime, neither a prime nor a composite. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Numbers which having only two factors are called prime numbers. You come to example 4. Write all the prime numbers less than 15. We have written 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Finished. If they ask, we have written till 43, 47, till 50 I can say. Right? So, these are the prime numbers till 50. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Now, let us go to the next example. What is that? Dark. In dark they have given 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Every prime number except 2 is odd. Now, you go to exercise 3.2 and let us try to answer all the questions. What is the sum of two odd numbers? What is the sum of any two odd numbers? As generally we do not know. Let us take two odd numbers. 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. What is the sum? 1 plus 3, 4. It is even number. 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number, 7 is an odd number. 5 plus 7, 12. So what is your answer? Whenever you don't know the answer, don't get disappointed. You take some examples, do it by yourself and write down. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? Even numbers. What is the sum of any two even numbers? Then you add again. 2 plus 4. 2 is even number, 4 is an even number. What is the answer? 6. 6 is also even number. So 8 is an even number, 10 is an even number. 10 plus 8, 18, that is also even number. So I can say the sum of any two odd numbers is also even, two even numbers is also even. Now let us go to the second question. State whether the following statements are true or false. The sum of three odd numbers is even. Now again, three odd numbers. See, 1, 3, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Are they even numbers? No. The sum of three odd numbers is even. False. Sum of three even numbers is odd. Sum of any two odd numbers is even. What is the second question? The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. Yes, the sum of two odd numbers is even, plus again even number is even. Correct. Third one, the product of three odd numbers is odd. Is it correct? Product means 1 3s are 3, 5s are 15. We got odd number. 3 5s are 15, 7s are 35. 15 7s are 105. Again odd. But what is the question they have asked? The product of three odd numbers is odd. Yes. The product of three odd numbers is odd. Yes. Next, D. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. If an even number is divided by 2, let us take 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 18 divided by 2, 9. Is any even number dividing by 2 gives the odd number? Yes, correct. Now, all prime numbers are odd. No, one is exception. Which is that? 2. Next, prime numbers do not have any factors. Prime numbers have factors. How many? Only 2. 1 and that number itself. Prime numbers do not have any factors? No, it is wrong. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Two prime numbers. Let us take 3 and 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Let us take 5 and 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 7 and 11. 7 plus 7, 18. Is it correct? Yes. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Correct. 2 is the only even prime number. I said from the beginning. Yes. All even numbers are composite numbers. No. All composite numbers are even, but all even numbers are not composite numbers. 2 is the exception in that. So, all even numbers are not composite numbers. But, all composite numbers are even. The product of all even numbers are composite numbers. True or false? False. The product of two even numbers is always even. 2 4s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24. Yes, correct. The product of two even numbers is even. Now, third question. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. 13 also prime number. 31 is also prime number. Do you agree? Yes. Both the numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. See, 17 is a prime number, 71 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number. Oh, 21, no. Look at that and try to do. 41 is a prime number, 14 is not a prime number. See, 11 when you reverse, 13 and 31, 17 and 71. 19 and 91, is it possible? We just see. Right? I am giving you the hint. 19 and 91, we just see. 29 and 92, not possible. The rest, 37 and 73, you see whether they are correct. 37 and 73, yes. So, these are the prime numbers which when you reverse the digits also they are prime. 91 is not a prime number, okay. 19 and 91. 13, 7 are how much? 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. So 19 is a prime number. 91 is not a prime number. I think 13 and 31, 17 and 71, 37 and 73 are the prime numbers. You understand? 13 and 31, 17 and 71, 37 and 73 are the three pairs of prime numbers. Now go to the next question. Write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20. So 1 you don't write down either in prime numbers nor in composite numbers. You understand? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers. All the rest is composite numbers except 1 and 2. 1, right? Go to the next one. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? 7, right? Express the following as the sum of two odd prime numbers. 44. 44 you try. 31 plus 13. 44. I gave one example. Rest you do. Do you understand? 36. One more you want me to do? 36. You have to get 36. How can you do? 29 plus 7, 36. Like that you do. Now, seventh question. Give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. 11 and 13. 17 and 19. Right? So, these are the pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Now, eighth question. Which of the following numbers are prime? Then you are able to say. 23 is prime, 51 is not a prime, 17 3 is a 51, 37 is a prime, 26 not a prime. Ninth question. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Consecutive means what? Which comes one after the other. Okay? Which comes one after the other, continuous. Okay? Less than 100. That there is no prime number between them. You see. Understand? Now 10th question. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of three odd prime numbers. Three odd prime numbers. 21. You have to get 11. Another plus 7, 18 plus 3, 21. 31. 31. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 11, 31. Like that. You understand? Next, 12th question. 11th question. Write the 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. 5 pairs of prime numbers. So, 2 and 3, 5. 5 divides by 5. Correct? 7 and 3, 10. It is divisible by 5. Then what can I say? 13 plus 7, 20. It is divisible by 5. Understood? Like that you have to do. Then 17 plus 3 I said. Isn't it? 17 plus 3, 20. So it is divisible by 5. Now go to the 12th question. A number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. A number which has more than 2 factors is called composite number. 1 is neither a composite nor a prime. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest even number is 2. Okay? I think you have understood what is the meaning of prime number, composite number. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you very much.